Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a very beautiful English story, that is The Mystery of the Lost Key. If you're an English beginner or you're trying to learn English, these stories will be very helpful for you. These are very most interesting stories. So let's get started. One bright morning, Mia and her friend Tom were playing in the garden. They loved to explore and find hidden treasures. That day, they found a small shiny key under a tree. The key was very old and had strange markings on it. Let's find what this key opens, said Mia excitedly. Tom nodded. It must open something important. The two friends walked around the garden, looking for something that could fit the key. They searched the shed, the mailbox, and even the old wooden bench, but there was nothing. Suddenly, Mia noticed something strange. Behind the garden shed, there was a small door in the ground. Look, Tom, this could be it, she said. Tom was nervous. I don't know, Mia. What if it's dangerous? But Mia was curious. She bent down and tried the key in the lock. It fit perfectly. The door creaked open. Inside was a small dark room with a dusty chest in the middle. We found it, Mia shouted. But just then they heard a voice behind them. What are you doing here? It was Mr. Black, the old man who lived next door. He looked angry. That door was locked for a reason, he said. Mia and Tom were scared. We just wanted to know what was inside, Mia said softly. Mr. Black signed. It's not a treasure chest, it's a box of old memories. I kept it locked because I did not want anyone to know about my past. Tom and Mia understood. They did not want to make Mr. Black upset, so they closed the door and handed him the key. Thank you for being honest, Mr. Black said with a smile. Sometimes it's better to leave things in the past. Now, there is a moral of the story. Respect people's privacy. Sometimes what's hidden should stay hidden. I hope you like this story, and there is a very good moral of this story. We have to respect people's privacy, okay? And some things should be hidden. Okay. If you like this video, like this story, please watch the video and try to subscribe my channel, share my videos. Thank you.